So in less than 12 hours, it'll be October 1st, which means I'm going to attempt this list of 30 days of Halloween makeup challenge. Am I scared? Yes. But the first look is skeleton based, and I'm a little scared to be honest with you, but we're gonna try our best. And this is my inspo for today. So let's get going. Okay, so basically we're not going to do any makeup on this side of my face and then right here. And I'm gonna do the rest as I normally would. Okay, my base is done besides from highlighter, which I'm going to add after we do the eyes. So I'm using the Master Mattes, and I'm going in with these shades right here, and I'm gonna create a black wing-like shape. Now taking this side, I'm just going to lightly blend out the edges. Now I'm taking this color and I'm gonna just go over that again. And we're not looking for this to be perfect, so it's okay for it to be messy. Okay, so we're just finishing up the eyes right now. We're not gonna jewel anything, but this is the rest of the makeup I'm using for my eyes. Okay, that's done. We're doing this lip combo. Okay, so now we're taking a black eyeliner and I'm going to outline the black areas, and then I'm going to go in and fill it in with white and gray, and then I'm gonna fill in the black last. But here we go. The black, taking the gray and going right around the black so I can blend it into the white. Now for the white. Now that you're done that, go in with powder and set it with eyeshadow as well, the same colors. Now that that's done, go in and add whatever jewels you want. Now that I'm done, I'm going to fix my hair and we'll be ready. So here's the final look. I want to know what you have to think. I feel like it's missing something, but I can't figure it out, and I've been sitting here for far too long. But I'm really impressed with myself. I really didn't think I could do this. But day one done. Here comes day two.